salir de. This is a common, I always say common, but it's just, it is very common. What can I tell you? It's a very common phrase. This one is basic. This one is more basic. It's not as advanced as the previous one. Salir adelante, that's a different thing, right? We're talking about something more literal here, okay? Salir de. Salir de. What does this mean? Salir de means to get out of. It can mean, well, you could be talking about a situation as well. If you want to get out of a situation, you can use this phrase as well, because it's almost like a literal translation. Salir de. Salir means to get out, to go out. I already mentioned most meanings of the verb salir a few minutes ago, but de also means off or from, okay? So it's a very literal translation in this specific situation. So if you want to say to get out of in Spanish, you can say salir de. For example, let's see some examples using this phrase. Salimos de casa temprano. Salimos de casa temprano por la mañana. Salimos de casa temprano por la mañana. This means we got out of the house early in the morning. Early in the morning. So pretty basic. You're just saying what you did early in the morning, which was to get out of a house, of the house, okay? So, salimos, nosotros salimos. We don't need nosotros, just drop it. You can say just salimos. Salimos, this is the verb right here, conjugated, of course. And then we have de, the one we have here. Salimos de, and that means we got out of. And then you add a place, and in this situation we have casa, and that means the house. It's very, very funny because in English you have we got out of the house. In Spanish, you can say salimos de la casa. You can add la, which means de, okay? You can say it. But just like I said previously, you can say en casa instead of en la casa. And en casa means at home. So we have the same situation here where sometimes, I mean, not sometimes, it's like it's either or. You can say de la casa, that's fine, or you can say de casa. So whichever you want works. Salimos de casa. De casa is like you're saying the of the house in this situation. Salimos de la casa or salimos de casa. Both mean the same thing. We got out of the house temprano. Temprano means early. Plain and simple. Temprano, early. When you add this term, this whole thing, por la mañana, that means in the morning. Okay? Por la mañana, como mi desayuno. In the morning, I eat my breakfast. Or just breakfast. Okay? Yo corro por la mañana. I run in the morning. Okay, so this is not a literal translation because por means for, and also la, that means the. So it makes sense here. But we don't say, well, you can say en la mañana, which is the literal translation of in the morning, literal, word by word. But also, it's very common to say por la mañana in Spanish, okay? Por la mañana. And it's the same thing. So don't worry. You can use either or. You can use por la mañana or en la mañana. And that means in the morning. So now you know. Now you know. Now you can understand if someone says por la mañana, you're like, oh, okay, that means in the morning. And if someone says en la mañana, oh, okay, that also means in the morning. So that's something very helpful to know, to understand Spanish. So we have the simple phrase that we're learning, simple yet really helpful. And salimos de, to, we got out of. Then we added the place, and then we added more information. Early in the morning, temprano por la mañana. Excellent. Now let's look at the next example. Next example. Let's see. Logró salir de la reunión temprano. Logró salir de la reunión temprano. This means he managed to get out of the meeting early. That could happen, You need to leave because you gotta do something else, and you managed to leave early from this boring meeting. And it seems to be that that's the situation here. Now we are talking about also getting out of a situation. In this case, the situation is a meeting, so that's quite interesting. Logró, almost like saying, I don't know, like logró, like I was gonna say, I kind of forgot the word I wanted to say, but it sounds like something familiar. Logró means managed, okay? Managed. Lograr is the verb we're talking about. So lograr, Lograr. This is a no, sorry. Lograr means quite a few things. It's a verb. It's a common. We should talk about that verb. It's really good. It's a really good verb. Lograr means to achieve, to accomplish, and also sometimes to manage, when you manage to do something. Okay, so it means to succeed. It means pretty much just when you're reaching a goal as well. It means also that. And lograr is a very good verb that we should talk about in the future. But in this situation, él logró, you could say él logró, he managed, or you can just say logró, right? Logró. If the person you're saying this to knows who you're talking about. So if you're talking about Miguel, You don't have to say Miguel, Miguel, Miguel all the time. It's the same with personal pronouns. So logró means he managed, or it can also mean she managed, or you managed. You plural and singular. No, not no. You singular and formal. Okay, that's what I wanted to say. And you could be saying that when saying logró. Okay, you can specify él logró. Salir de means get out of. So logró salir de, he managed to get out of the reunión. Reunión means meeting or gathering as well. Okay. Temprano, we know this word, it means early. Okay, so this phrase is very easy. We're talking about getting out of a situation, or literally getting out of a place, like your house, like a building, like I don't know, like any place you can get out of. Technically, yeah.